We are a 25-year-old software company, and like yourself, we have been struggling with what does it mean to move more of our business systems into the cloud. As a result, we created a great tool that we refer to as the Yeti Orchestration platform, which I would like to tell you more about. Our research has shown that nearly all companies today are trying to do some part of the following. Number one, move legacy application workloads to the cloud in a safe, secure, and managed approach. Number two, maintain legacy applications in their own on-premise systems while they try to integrate parts of the business into a new architecture. And number three, move more fully to a new architecture of microservices that are cloud native, inside of containers, and on an efficiently run platform. Now, to do this, you will find out that you need experts in tools such as Docker, Prometheus, Kibana, WSO2, as well as a host of others. Additionally, interconnecting them to work effectively and efficiently can be a daunting task. We have made it easy, however, for you to manage legacy application workloads inside of containers, utilize managed microservices, and integrate those applications from end to end. If you would like additional information, do not hesitate to reach out to Stephen Clark via email at sclark@etisoftware.com.